So I'm here in the Wonder Garden, and they use biochar as one of their main ingredients to bring gardening to a more sustainable level. And even this is one of their products. They're selling pots made of cornstarch, sunflower seeds and biochar. Now I'm going to introduce you to Lisa.
So we have products with biochar because we think that biochar is kind of the future of gardening. So we started developing a soil which has no peat, because peat is really bad, because when you get all the peat, like so much CO2 is going to the atmosphere. And we have the biochar now, which is actually doing the opposite. So we burn biomass without oxygen, with like 600 degrees, I think. And that way the CO2 is actually trapped in the charcoal, in the biochar. And yeah, when we put it into the ground, it's stored there for like 100 years. So it's really good way to actually do something for the climate, but at the same time it's really good for the plants as well. So biochar is kind of like a sponge. It has a really porous structure, so it stores nutrients and water really well. So therefore it's a really great use for gardening products in general, and a great way to do something for the environment.